Petrol bunk is right here, Indian Oil petrol bunk. Let's go and fill the tank to full top up. YouTuber sir? Yes boss. You can also watch my videos and subscribe to my channel. Look, this is how I get subscribers. Hi, hello. Welcome back to my channel ASVK Info Vlog. Today's video is about TATA TIAGO BS6 mileage test tank to tank. This video was pending from many days in fact. So anyways, the fuel tank was almost empty with left of almost 1 liter, and tomorrow me and my friend Sandeep are going to Tirupati. So I thought let's fill the fuel tank and make a complete mileage test from tank to tank. So we filled it around 34 liters, which came around 3632 rupees. Right now you can see the trip meter is fully filled tank, and I'll be changing it to 0 trip meter. After this, again I'll come back to the same fuel station and fill the tank again completely, and then we'll calculate, we'll see how much we will get. See, currently you can see in trip meter average is showing 24.3, and kilometers wise it's almost near to 209 kilometers. You can observe here AC is also on, and if you need a good mileage, I would say or prefer always close the windows and switch the AC on and keep it fan speed around 1 or 2, and then you can cruise it almost within 100. Then it would be a good drive, and even chances are more that you will get a good mileage as well. Hi, welcome back. Our Tirupati trip is over. Hope you have watched my travel vlog of Tirupati Tirumala Darshana day 1 and day 2. If not watched, please click on I button and watch it. So if you see on MID, drive range is still showing 96 plus kilometers, plus 609 kilometers, which is already we have driven complete overall Bangalore to Tirupati and Tirupati to Bangalore trip. And you can see the overall average is 21.5. If you have observed in the video, in middle we got average around 24.3 kmpl. That was on highway, and right now you can see it's showing 21.5, and the reason is from Tirupati to Bangalore it just took 4 hours, but to reach my home in JP Nagar in Bangalore it took another 3 hours. It was heavily raining on that day, and it was full of traffic jam. Because of this reason, so mileage has been dropped to -3, that is currently 21.5. Now let's go to the same fuel station and fill the fuel tank completely again and check the actual mileage on MID display and currently what we have got it from tank to tank. So once again we are here in same petrol pump. See, fuel tank is full now, and we got somewhere around 28.77 liters. Yeah, you can see it on bill as well, it's 28.77 liters. And look at the current petrol price. By looking at this price and when we compare to our salary, God knows how many trips we can go further in future. Anyways, let's keep it aside and check it on MID. What is the overall trip we have completed? See, if you see on trip meter, it's 609.2 kilometers overall trip, and let's divide it by the second time whatever we have filled fuel, that is 28.77. Let's calculate it. 609.2 divided by 28.77. See, the overall trip mileage we got it around 21.17, which is quite good actually. And it's a mixture of 60% highway, 10% guard road, and 30% on city drive with full of traffic jam and in rain. And 70% of trip AC on. That's why it got decreased little bit. Otherwise, almost 24 to 25 kilometer but there are very slightly difference of MID display and actual tank to tank calculation. That is only 0.35. 21.17 kilometer, it's a good mileage. If you also want to get this kind of good mileage, then you have to always follow the instant fuel economy, which you can see it on cluster, and maintain your speed between 80 to 100 kilometer per hour. And look at the RPM as well. Always uh, maintain within 2000 rpm, or if you are going above 100, then make sure you are less than 3000 rpm. See, this is the instant fuel economy which I was telling. Always keep this progress bar up to 60 to 80%, so that chances are more that you will get good fuel economy. In city it's a bit difficult to maintain, but in highway you can maintain up to 100%. Don't press acceleration pedal too harsh, keep it gentle and soft. So follow all these procedures and then you can get this kind of good mileage. I hope you have liked this mileage test, tank to tank test video, and I have shown all the proof of bill and overall trip details also I have shared. Subscribe to this channel for more contents like auto vlog, food vlog, travel vlogs. Still many more will come. So don't miss to subscribe, like and share with all of your friends. Until then, see you. Take care. Bye bye.